All right, so in this video, we're going to be talking about the ugly truth about trading prop firms. Okay, we all know about them. If you're a Forex trader, if you're a futures trader, then I'm sure you've heard of trading prop firms. And I'm actually a big advocate of utilizing trading prop firms if you are a beginner trader. Okay, so I'm not against them in the slightest. I'm for trading prop firms because they do pay out. They do pay out. Okay, some do. I'll say some pay out, right? There's definitely a lot of scams out there, blatant scams out there in the prop firm industry, many. So you got to be careful, but they're a great opportunity. If you lack capital, it's a great head start for you. Do I think it should be your end game? Absolutely not. Your end game should be to have your own personal trading account. And prop firms are basically just like that jump start. They help you get a head start. They help you build your capital in a much quicker manner than if you were to just try to do it in your personal account. Okay, you can run up capital quickly with these prop firms. Now, here's the ugly truth, though. There's a few ugly truths. I'm going to be talking about a few different things in this video, a few ugly truths that a lot of you are already aware of, but a lot of you also aren't, that maybe are new to this industry, because this is mainly going to be people that are new to the industry that aren't aware of how things work. So I'm going to enlighten you, okay? So first things first, you must understand that prop firms are built on unprofitable traders. Okay, if traders were profitable, if they're consistently profitable, let's just flip it around. Let's go to a fantasy land. And let's say 90% of traders were profitable. Prop firms ain't a thing. They ain't a thing no more. Okay, it's built on you losing. Okay, that's how they survive. That's how if a prop firm tells you they want to see all their traders succeed, it's bullshit. It is bullshit. They don't want to see you succeed. Okay. That's just a cold, hard truth, because they make more money on you failing. So why would they want to see you succeed if that's how they make their money, is on you failing? Of course they want to see you fail, okay? That's just the truth of the matter. And another cold, hard reality, this is one that a lot of people, actually I'm sure, are not aware of, is even a lot of the live traders that are not in the challenges anymore, that are funded with the prop firms, they're not even funded. A lot of you are not even funded. Even if you got the account, you're not in the live market environment, a lot of you. And that's the truth. And then that begs the question, like, how do I get my money then? So I'm getting money, I'm getting paid. Well, then how am I getting paid? You're getting paid by the losing traders that fail their challenges, that fail their evaluations. You're getting paid by their fees. That's just the case. That's just the truth. That's how it is. You're getting paid from the losing traders. Now, hey, they pay though, right? And that's how I look at it. Like, you know, it kind of seems kind of shady, I understand, but guess what? They're paying you. And that's what matters, really. You're able to capitalize on that, and you're able to grow your account. You're able to grow your account substantially. You're able to use those profits, and you're able to put it into your personal account, which all of you should be doing. I want to make that very clear. And if you're not doing that, well, start doing it, because you're making a big mistake. Don't just go onto those profits. You need to be putting all those profits that you make from prop firm into your personal trading account, okay? Because that personal trading account, it's yours. That's a real market experience. And a lot of these prop firms, you're not in that real market experience. You're in a demo account, and you're just getting paid from losing trader fees, okay? That's it. And that's the cold hard truth. That's the cold hard reality of that business. Is that for everybody though? Does everybody get in on a demo account? No, I'm sure there are plenty of very, very profitable traders that are in a real market environment, aka be booked. So there are traders like that are be booked, that are in the market for real, and they're getting paid like that. Of course, I'm not saying it's all, demo. I'm not saying that at all, but I'm saying the vast majority are. Okay. So the vast majority are. Prop firms are built on losing traders. They want you to lose, and that's just the game, guys. That's the game. A lot of you already know that, but a lot of you also don't, and it's very important that you're aware of that. Okay, they're not your friend. Prop firms are not your friend. And again, I'm a big advocate. I'm a big advocate for them. I promote prop firms. I don't get paid by any prop firms. Let me make that clear. I don't get paid by any prop firms. I haven't been paid a dime from these prop firms to promote, do giveaways, none of that. But I see the opportunity, and they do provide a really good opportunity, and they have changed a lot of people's lives. Okay, they have changed a lot of people's lives, and they have helped people grow their accounts substantially. But also, you got to kind of use some common sense here. You got to be a little bit rational here. And you got to understand that if the vast majority of traders are profitable, they aren't a thing. They're going out of business, and that's just how it is. Okay, they want you to fail. They want you to fail, and that's just the case. Also, here's another thing that I don't see that's actually talked about that often with these prop firms, these trading prop firms. This isn't all of them. There's a lot of legit firms that'll pay you that do things the correct way. But you also got to realize that there's a lot of shady firms out there. Like, they won't book you at all. A lot of these firms won't even pay you out if you get a payout. And because most people that use these firms, they're not some big influencer. They don't have a voice to really talk about it. They get shoved under the rug, right? And then nobody hears about it, and they take your money, and that's that. But another thing that these prop firms are doing right now, that it's because a lot of us are aware of how offshore brokers will give you marketing accounts, or they'll give influencers, big, people that have large followings, marketing accounts, aka fake accounts. And it's a win-win for the influencer, and it's a win-win for the broker. Okay, yeah, the broker, it gets promoted. It gets a lot of people find out about the broker, then they go use the broker, and then the trader who's on the fake account, they look like there's some amazing specimen, some amazing trader, like the best trader in the world. We see them on social media all the time. They grow that $1,000, or not even $1,000, $100, $200 account to millions in a very short amount of time. Those types of traders, we all know who they are, that use these market accounts, that have these deals with these brokers. Understand that prop firms do this too, but they do it in a little bit of a different manner. Because I've had prop firms in the past, up and coming prop firms, offer me deals meaning they've offered me fake payout slips in return for me to promote their broker. Like, literally, they've slid in my DMs. They've offered me fake payout slips in return to promote their prop firm. I mean, it's some dirty shit. It's some very dirty shit. And just know that exists. And there's a lot of traders that are doing that. There's a lot of traders that are utilizing fake payout slips. They're not even doing it for real. They're doing that so they can make their core sales. And also, a lot of these guys are affiliates with these prop firms, so they're getting paid by these prop firms to do this. So that's something that a lot of people aren't aware of that's happening in this industry. And I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but it's just the case. All right, me, I'm always going to keep it real with you guys. I'm always going to give you it straight up. I don't sugarcoat nothing. It doesn't make me very many friends in this industry. It doesn't make me very popular. Okay, I could have a much bigger following if I was to do like what a lot of these influencers are doing, play that game, play that fraudulent game. But, I have morals. Okay, I have morals, and I think since I'm in this position where I don't have a huge following, but I have a fairly decent following, and it's my responsibility to call out this BS. Okay, so my advice, just be careful. Prop firms are amazing. I'm for prop firms. If not, then I wouldn't have, shouted them out in the past. I think there's ones out there, like there's plenty of prop firms that are paying out consistently. Plenty of people have changed their lives through prop firms. I think they're a net plus, but it's also, you got to be aware of the realities of this business as well, and understand that they're built on losing traders. And if you understand that and you go in, you're very careful, well, then you can make the most out of it. You can absolutely grow your account. You can change your life with trading prop firms. They're a great opportunity, and you should take full advantage of them. Okay? Withdraw those profits, put it into your personal account, and just take full advantage, because we don't know if they're going to be around forever. I've said this before. I've been saying this for over a year at this point. We don't know if prop firms are going to be around forever. We saw what happened with MyForexFunds. We saw what happened with them. You think they're the only one that's doing that? No, they're not. There's plenty of others that are operating in the same exact way. Plenty. So then that begs the question is, how do we find a legit one? Well, you do your research. Okay. You look for prop firms that are giving consistent payouts, that have rules that have good rules that you're comfortable to trade with, that you're comfortable to trade with around, because you got to abide by their rules, and you just got to make an educated decision. It's on you. All right. You make that decision at the end of the day. But that's the truth of the matter, guys. Like, it's a dirty business. So you just got to be careful. So, keep your eyes open. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.